Make a great choice today with the 2017 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, all-wheel drive, stability control, navigation system, remote engine start, passenger airbag, Bluetooth, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, trip computer, remote power door locks. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.